Man, I still cannot believe that Dark Cod Koopa pepper sprayed me in my sleep. Now I'm in the hospital all thanks to that tawny Dark Koopa character.
Hi there, Belize. Are you okay?
Nope. I'm not okay, kitty. Dark fatal Rodimus bird error. The reason is because Dark Cod Koopa pepper sprayed me in my sleep. Thankfully he got grounded since my bestie Honduras was in my house the whole time and heard my screams.
What? Who's that dumb Dark Koopa character? I'm just glad that he got grounded by his parents. But no worries. I have powers and I'll use them on you.
Okay then. Give it a try.
Alrighty then. Here it goes.
Oh my gosh. My eyes. They're finally healed. Thanks, goody Dark fatal Rodimus bird error.
You're welcome, Belize. Glad I could help.
As a reward, I'll call your parents to unground you since I actually have their phone number.
Okay then. I have to go home now. Bye, Belize.
Goodbye, Kitty Dark fatal Rodimus bird error.
At Kitty Dark Fatal Rodimus Bird Error's house.
Kitty Dark Fatal Rodimus Bird Error. We just off the phone with Belize. He told us that you healed his eyes after he was pepper sprayed by Dark Cod Kepper. Good job, son. We're very proud of you for healing Belize's eyes after what happened to him.
And for this, you're now ungrounded. You can do whatever you want now.
Cool. Thanks, Mom and Dad. You both are the best.